from these given lessons, as you have mentioned, when I set out for Lioness, and another one is the schoolboy,
Yes, sir.
and visit to Cambridge. So, based on these lessons, we shall have a Google form test on a Google form tomorrow in our regular class. Okay? I'll write this in the class group also, so that if someone is not here, will also come to know. If anyone has any problem, let me know. No problem. Okay, good.
I want to ask something.
Yes.
Sir, you ask us to sir, give you the list of the
Yes, yes.
students who did
Who
not
have
submit.
submitted?
But
Yes.
sir, actually, sir, I don't know the roll number of the students, so I
No
can't.
problem.
Excuse me, sir. So what
Just a
can I
minute.
do,
Just
sir?
a minute. Let me talk to Prakhar first. Prakhar doesn't know the roll numbers, right? Prakhar?
Yes, sir.
What I'll do is, I'll try to have a list of the class. I'll take a snap of that and I'll post it in the class group. Will it be
Sure.
helpful?
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, very much.
Sir, I also
Yes,
have a
sir.
doubt.
In the class group, so that list will be seen by everyone. You know your roll numbers as they are here in the record. Okay, so I'll post a photograph of that list in the group. Is there
Sir?
anyone else who wants to say something?
Yes, sir.
Yes, beta.
Sir, both Aniket and Niyati has written my name in their list, sir.
Beta, see, if you submit and nobody writes your name, then there is a problem. But your name is given at two places. Two children are saying that you have submitted, then you should be happy.
No, sir, I didn't got the Sarvagya's PPT, sir.
Huh.
Sir, because I sent to
You told
Niyati.
So has Niyati
because
written that? Has Niyati
Yes,
written
sir.
submitted?
Yes, sir. Yes.
yes,
Then fine. Fine. Why are you worrying? Ultimately, beta, see, why I'm asking all these children to give the names of those who have submitted just for a record. Otherwise, also, I'll see the record first and then I'll see all the PPTs sent by these four children to me. That's why I'm saying I will not allow anybody who sends individually, because I'll open these four accounts only. And whichever PPTs are sent by these children, I'll open all the PPTs at home. I'll check all of those and then I'll give marks. So without seeing PPT only by the name, I'm not going to give marks. So don't worry about it. If your PPT is there, you have given, you have made a good presentation, fine. Okay? Sarvagya.
Yes, sir.
Second thing, yesterday somebody has personally sent me a PPT. I have already told that I do not want it personally. It should be come through group. I have already made four groups. Four children are responsible for this and they will only submit. So you send it to them and the date is already over. What was the last date? 31st.
No, sir.
Yes, sir. Sir, 1
Yes, sir.
February.
Sir,
The first
Yes, sir.
February.
First, okay. 1st of February. Now it is 4th today. Okay. So date is already passed. Now no submission required. Those who have submitted will only get marks. Others will be
excuse me,
marked.
sir.
Second thing, one student has personally sent it to me, which I am not going to accept. And the second thing, that student has made on a topic that was not given at all. That topic was not given at all. Still, that student has made a presentation. I remember all the topics that were given, that were discussed here in the class. Yes, someone is saying something. Who is that?
सर yesterday I sent the PPT to अंकुश तो सर अंकुश ने मेरे को रिप्लाई किया था कि 3rd Feb को भेजनी थी तो सर मैंने कल ही उसको भेजी है तो अब वो बोल रहा है आई कैन नॉट सेंड इट टू सर
Yes. थर्ड किसने बोला? थर्ड फर्स्ट बोला था
सर मैंने
First
थर्ड नहीं बोला है सर, मैंने
हाँ।
उसको बोला था
सर उसने मुझे लिखा है
से पहले बोला।
सर उसने मुझे लिखा था सर अपने ईमेल में
Beta,
रिप्लाई में
Ankush knows the date and Ankush must have written or told 1st of February. Ankush,
सर मैं आपको दिखा दूं सर
wait,
मैं
wait,
दिखा
wait,
दूं
wait.
आपको
Don't argue. Wait, Ankush,
यस सर
what is the problem, beta? What have you told him?
सर, आई हैव रिटन दैट now I will not take as sir have asked to send it before 1st of Feb.
This you have written, na?
यस और सर जो वो 3rd Feb की बात आ रही है ना सर, तो वो उसका टाइम दिखा रहा है, उसको लग रहा है वो मैंने भेजा है.
Akhil,
यस सर.
is it clear to you now?
सर कर लीजिए सर, एक्सेप्ट कर लीजिए सर, मैं भी भूल
नहीं,
गया था.
आपने मुझे ये नहीं बोला कि सर एक्सेप्ट कर लीजिए. आपने किसी और बच्चे को ब्लेम किया जो बेचारा अपना काम कर रहा है और अच्छे से कर रहा है.
सर मुझे सर एक्चुअली सर
आप मिसगाइड कर रहे हो. आप मिसगाइड कर रहे हो. आपने अगर पहले ये बोला होता तो वो बात अलग होती कि ठीक है, आई एम लेट ड्यू टू सम रीजन, बट यू हैव स्टार्टेड पुटिंग दैट ब्लेम ऑन समबडी एल्स.
मैं आपको बताऊं सर,
No, I don't
मुझे
know.
लगा सर
Leave
ब्रो,
it.
इसमें लिखा था ब्रो आई विल not take ask sir about if, and he said to send me, then send on Wednesday 3rd Feb 2021. तो सर मुझे ये लगा कि 3rd Feb को भेजनी थी.
When
ये
was
तो
this
थोड़ा-
task given? When was this task given?
Sir, 26 or 24?
26 को.
Yes,
तो 27
26 and 20.
हाँ, है ना? This task was given quite long back. And second thing, I am constantly writing on the that class group also submission.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
I am
तो sorry
constantly
sir,
writing
please sir
that
ले
now I
लीजिए.
will not accept, now I will not accept, now I will not accept. I am constantly writing.
Yes, sir.
If you
please,
talk
thank you.
about one student statement, then where are my statements? I have written it in the class group, haven't I?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Hmm?
Sir, please accept it, sir, please.
We'll talk afterwards, beta. Let us do something because we hardly get time to complete the syllabus. There are few things left. Something with what we were doing in the previous class, beta.
Sir, direct and indirect narration.
Okay.
Yes,
And after this, what else is left?
Sir, parts of speech.
Okay.
Yes, sir, parts of speech.
So
Okay.
sentences.
Chalo. Direct and indirect narration. Have I sent some notes?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Fine, sir.
Yes, sir.
We have discussed in the previous class. What I said is we have already discussed in one period. Then I have sent some notes where there are sentences, there are exercises. Okay. And
Yes.
then for today, what I said is ki go through that, practice it, and whenever or wherever you find anything difficult or doubtful, ask me in the next class.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
So if you have any problem in that, let me know. I'll explain. Have you gone through the notes?
Yes, sir.
So if you found any problem, something difficult to understand, please tell me. No problem. Everything is clear.
Yes, sir.
Then let us move on to the next topic.
Yes, sir.
What is the next
sir.
topic?
Yes, sir.
What is the
Parts of speech.
parts of speech? Okay, parts of speech you've been doing for a long time. It was
Yes,
introduced perhaps when you were in 5th or 6th class. I don't know.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
It would definitely have been introduced at that time. So let us have a quick discussion about it. What do we mean by parts of speech? First of all, what is a speech? What is a speech?
Sir, conversing with each other.
Okay. Little better definition.
Sir, a
Better
formal
and
talk.
Huh?
Sir, the formal talk. A formal talk.
Why formal talk? Chalo. Let me tell you one more thing. What do you mean by speak?
Us to say something.
Okay.
Sir, ability to.
To say something is to speak. Okay. Speaking is a verb, is an action.
Yes, sir.
ठीक है.
Sir.
the noun form of this speak is speech. Means whatever you speak is your speech. Have you understood? Have you understood? Whatever you speak is your speech. Clear?
Yes, sir.
आप जो भी कुछ बोलते हो, जो भी कुछ कहते हो, वो सब स्पीच है. Whatever you speak. ठीक है. Now, what do you speak? When you want to say something to somebody, what do you say? What are the things that you speak?
Sir, to formal people or informal, such as family or
To anyone, what comes out of your mouth when you speak? What comes out of your mouth?
Words.
Words. Exactly. And then you say some words together in a specific structure that forms a sentence. So you speak sentences. This way you speak, this way you talk to somebody, like I'm talking to you, what I'm doing. I'm saying some words, but those words are said in a particular order, in a system, in a structure, that it becomes a sentence. And it conveys a meaning, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So basically, what we speak words. जो sound हम निकाल रहे हैं with a certain meaning. ठीक है? These are words. Agreed?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Good. Now these words, how many words are there? How many words do you use, or how many words are there in English?
Infinite.
Infinite.
There are so many, thousands. If you open a dictionary, a bigger one, how many words will you find in it? So many.
Yes, sir.
ठीक है? No word is repeated in a dictionary, but there are thousands. तो इतने सारे words हैं. If you call them all words, fine, they are words. But we need to classify those words in some different classes, in some different parts, for a better understanding. God has made so many living beings. But if you start calling all living beings as living beings only, it will become very difficult for you.
Yes.
So then classification is needed. That these are plants and these are animals. In animals, these are different types or different classes. You study. Then
Yes, sir.
one is human beings. And in human beings, males, females, हम classification करते जाते हैं ना, classification करते जाते हैं. ये classification, why do we need this classification? To make the understanding easier and convenient, right?
Yes, sir.
ऐसे ही हमारे पास इतने सारे वर्ड्स हैं, सबको एक साथ उठा के पटक दो एक ही बकेट में. It's hard to understand. तो फिर उनका क्लासिफिकेशन किया. क्लासिफिकेशन on what basis? On the basis of the purpose these words are used for. What is the purpose? Okay, I can see Chahit.
Yes, sir.
Say any word that comes in your mind.
Compulsory.
Huh?
Compulsory.
Compulsion.
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good word. Compulsion. Let us go to a little easier word, then I'll talk about compulsion also. Niyati, suggest one easier word. Let us start with a simpler one.
Name.
Hmm?
Name.
Speak loudly, or if voice is not clear, you can type in the chat. Tree. Okay. Very good word. Simple word. कंपल्शन के बारे में हम थोड़ी सी देर रुक के बात कर लेंगे, है ना, जब थोड़ा सा हमें पार्ट्स ऑफ स्पीच समझ में आ जाएंगे तब. लेट अस से ट्री. इफ आई से ट्री, व्हाट कम्स टू योर माइंड, प्रखर?
Sir, a living object, so which is in a vertical
Okay.
direction and have a green leaves on it.
Okay, okay. Something like that comes to your mind automatically.
Sir,
Okay. If I say branch, then will the entire tree come to your mind, or some part of that tree comes to your mind?
some part of the tree.
Okay. If I say leaf,
Some part of the tree.
if I say fruit, again
Sir,
a
some
part.
part of that branch.
If I say seed,
Some
again a
part of
part.
that fruit.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. But with all these words, did something come to your mind?
Samay?
Samaya.
Yes, sir.
Something came to your mind.
Yes, sir.
Just a minute. Just a minute. Just a minute. Something came to your mind, right?
Yes, sir.
With these words, if it was tree, or if it was branch, or if it was a leaf, or fruit, or seed, something you could identify, right? Acha. You identified a thing. Why did you identify tree only when we said tree? Why did you identify only tree when we said tree?
Sir, because we know tree.
Sir,
Because
because sir,
we
we
call
know
it a
about
tree?
tree. Yes, sir. We call it a tree.
Yes, sir.
Not about tree. Because we call it a tree, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Why do we call it a tree? Why do we call it a tree?
Because sir, we have named it.
We
We have named
given
it as a
this
tree.
name.
Yes, sir.
Yes. We have named it. We have given it this name. If I say Prakhar, will Niyati speak?
No, sir.
Will Niyati speak when I say Prakhar?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Prakhar will only speak.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Ah, there is a difference between other students and one. Whatever I say, even if I say Prakhar, there is a possibility that Akhil speaks. That's a different issue. But otherwise, अगर मैं प्रखर बोल रहा हूं तो आपके दिमाग में प्रखर ही आएगा ना?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Because this name has been given to this particular boy. Tree is a name given to that particular object. If I say, some of you must be having on computer screen, some of you must be having on cell phone. So if I say monitor, you will look at the monitor of your computer.
Yes, sir.
If I say
Yes, sir.
display of your cell phone, so you will look at the display of your cell phone. We give names to various things, objects, persons. Hmm? What is the definition of a name? Name होता क्या है?
Sir,
What
name
is
is the
name?
identity through which we can know somebody.
Identity. That's it. Very good. By name you identify. ठीक है? So this is one class of words. This is one class of words. All the words that are used to identify something are
Name.
are
Noun.
nouns. Nouns. So we have discussed about the first category of words, first class of words, and this is of
Noun.
nouns.
Noun.
सारे वो सारे वर्ड्स जिनसे हम किसी चीज को आइडेंटिफाई करते हैं, मतलब नेम करते हैं, वो सारे के सारे वर्ड्स जो हैं वो क्या हो गए? नाउन्स हो गए। अब इसमें अभी हम बात कर रहे थे कि कोई ऑब्जेक्ट हो, या अभी प्रखर बोला तो कोई ह्यूमन बीइंग हो, कोई पर्सन हो, ठीक है। अगर आपने ट्री की बात करी, इफ देयर इज अ बर्ड ऑन अ ट्री, तो यू से बर्ड, ठीक है। तो दैट कैन बी एनीथिंग, एनीबॉडी, एनी लिविंग और नॉन लिविंग थिंग, ये तो हो गया। अदर देन दिस, इवन इफ that particular word identifies a feeling, that also is a noun. Can somebody give an example of that? See, if we tell you, if somebody raised hand perhaps, who was that?
Sir, Ankush.
Ankush, bolo beta.
Sir, excitement.
Excitement. Excitement. Very good. This also is a noun. This also is a noun.
Happiness.
Sad.
Very good. Not sad. Not sad.
Sadness.
Sadness. State of mind. It should be state of mind.
Sir, joyfulness.
Sadness. Okay. Okay. I hope now you understood.
Kindness.
So angriness.
Huh?
Enjoyment.
Angriness.
Not angriness. Anger.
Brightness. Sir,
Anger,
rage.
anger, not angriness. Angriness is not a word.
Enjoyment.
Huh?
Sir, rage.
Enjoyment.
It's okay. Rich is not a noun. Prosperity is noun. Richness can be a noun. Rich is not a noun.
The kindness.
चलो अब यहीं से हम आगे, काइंडनेस इज अ नाउन। अभी हम यहीं से आगे बात करते हैं, ठीक है। काइंडनेस इज अ नाउन, ठीक है, बट काइंड हु सेड काइंडनेस?
Prakhar.
Me, Prakhar.
Prakhar said kindness. Kindness is a noun. Prakhar is a kind person. He's a kind boy. What am I doing using kind here?
Telling more information about Prakhar.
Yes, sir.
Telling something about Prakhar. And that something is quality of Prakhar. ठीक है. Good boy. Prakhar is a good boy. He's a kind person. Ankush is a good badminton player. How do I know he's a good badminton player?
So because
he
he
has
play good.
rackets.
Sir, because
Huh?
rackets are hanging beside him.
Yes, sir.
At his back. Yes, yes. I just saw. And I said, those rackets may not be his. It may be his elder brother's or somebody else's.
They are mine.
But because it is hanging there, so I said. Otherwise, Ankush doesn't look like playing badminton. समझ में आया बेटा?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
If you are telling something about somebody, then you need to use some words. And such words are
Adjectives.
adjectives. Yes. So adjectives tell us about nouns. Is it clear? हाँ,
Yes,
ठीक है.
sir.
Adjectives tell us about nouns. Pronouns are just a substitution of nouns. Pronouns क्या है? Pronouns are just a substitution for nouns. In some cases, we do not want to use a noun repeatedly. Then we substitute it with a pronoun. Can I say Prakhar is a good boy, Prakhar is active in the class, Prakhar answers all the questions, and when an assignment is given, Prakhar takes it seriously and Prakhar completes it in time? Should I keep on repeating Prakhar like this? Like I'm
No, sir.
telling the rosary beads, Mala Japram.
No, sir.
What should I use then? What should I say then?
Sir, he.
He
Yes. Then I should
or
start.
his.
He. Yes. Yes. These are pronouns. Got it?
Yes, sir.
So fine, noun, pronoun, it's okay. And the words that tell us something about a noun, how is it? क्या बताते हैं? How is it? कैसा है? वो noun जो है वो कैसा है? वो कौन से words हैं?
Adjective.
Adjective.
Adjectives.
ठीक है? Okay. Then I just said कि Ankush plays badminton. Then I said Prakhar completes his assignment in time. Then I said Prakhar answers the questions. Now I will say Niyati keeps a record of everything very systematically. The words that I used here, which I want you to notice, are plays, answers, completes, keeps. I've used these words in these sentences.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Answering, responding, playing. ये सब क्या है? ये सब क्या है?
Adjective.
Nouns.
Adjective तो बोलते हैं. अरे बेटा एक मिनट. I'm just asking about. See, nouns were the words that we used to identify something, somebody, or a feeling. Adjectives वो थे which were telling us something about nouns. Now I'm telling a sentence that who is this? Ankush plays badminton. Then I says Prakhar answers my questions, completes his task in time. Then I said Niyati keeps all the records very systematically. तो ये जो keep है, to keep, to answer, to complete, मैं इन words की बात कर रहा हूँ. What are these words? Yes. These are actions.
Yes,
These are
sir.
actions. What is an action? Something that you do. What is an
Yes, sir.
action? Something that you do.
Yes, sir.
So keeping isn't it something that Niyati does?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Answering, isn't it something that Prakhar does?
Yes, sir.
Playing is something that Ankush does.
Yes, sir.
So anything that you do is an action, and the words that tell you what you do are verbs. So this is another category of words. This is another class group of words. We call it verb. ठीक है? अच्छा, अभी मैं यहाँ पे बोलूं Akhil speaks loudly. ठीक है, हम पहले देख रहे थे कुछ वर्ड से कि अटेंटिव नियति writes all her answers very carefully. तो अटेंटिव नियति जब मैंने बोला तो अटेंटिव किसके बारे में बताया मैंने?
नियति.
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 Niyati.
is a noun. Niyati is a
Yes,
noun.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Niyati is attentive. तो ये attentive हो गया adjective because it is telling us about Niyati. How is Niyati? बाद में मैंने बोला कि writes her answers carefully. Carefully क्या है? It is telling us how she writes.
Yes, sir.
How she writes. How is she नहीं, वो कैसी है नहीं, वो जो काम कर रही है वो काम कैसा है, कैसा करती है, ये बताया ना. जल्दी जल्दी यस बोलते जाओ अगर समझ में आ रहा है.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
ओके, तो नियति writes carefully. So this carefully word is telling us about the action of writing, how it is done. How it is done. ठीक है? It is telling about the action, how it is done. समझ में आया?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
तो ये हो गया एडवर्ब. जो नाउन्स के बारे में बता रहे थे वो थे एडजेक्टिव्स, और जो वर्ब्स के बारे में बता रहे हैं वो क्या है?
Adverb.
एडवर्ब्स. क्लियर हो गया? क्लियर हो
Yes,
गया?
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
I am asking this thing repeatedly. Asking verb है?
Yes, sir.
Verb है ना?
Yes,
asking.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Asking कैसे कर रहा हूँ?
Repeatedly.
Repeatedly.
Asking कैसे कर रहा हूँ?
Repeatedly.
Repeatedly. तो repeatedly क्या है?
Adverb.
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 वो क्या हो गया? वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड. अब अपन और एक स्टेप आगे बढ़ जाते हैं. और एक स्टेप आगे बढ़ जाते हैं. Where are you all sitting?
At home.
At home.
On the chair.
On chair.
अब आप देखो, आपने होम बोला, आपने चेयर बोला, जो भी बोला, रूम बोला, जंगल बोला, मून बोला, जहां भी बैठे हो मुझे नहीं पता, हो सकता है कोई मून पे बैठा हो, कोई मार्स पे बैठा हो, जहां भी तुम बैठे हो, जब आप अपनी पोजीशन को बता रहे थे, आपने क्या किया, किस चीज को यूज किया? आप तो एक नाउन हो, देयर इज नो डाउट। आपने अपनी पोजीशन बताने के लिए किसी और चीज के साथ में रिलेट करा?
Yes, sir.
आपने अपनी पोजीशन जो बताई वो एक्चुअली रिलेटिव पोजीशन बताई। आपने बोला चेयर के ऊपर, तो मतलब आप चेयर भी एक नाउन है।
Yes, sir.
आपने अपनी पोजीशन रिलेटिव पोजीशन बताई ना चेयर से।
Yes, sir.
जैसे अंकुश अभी ही इज सिटिंग ऑन द मून, ठीक है, तो उसने बता दिया ऑन द मून। अखिल मस्ट बी सिटिंग ऑन द सन। आप जहां पे हो, आप इफ यू आर सिटिंग इन साइड योर रूम, देन व्हाट डू यू टेल? इन द रूम। ठीक है,
Yes, sir.
तो इसका मतलब आप अगर अपनी एक रिलेटिव पोजीशन बता रहे हो, तो वो बताने के लिए जो वर्ड्स आपने यूज करे थे वो क्या है?
Prepositions.
इन, ऑन,
Position.
यस, वेरी गुड, यस यस। इसके अलावा भी हम prepositions और जगह भी यूज करते हैं, और जगह भी यूज करते हैं, ठीक है। Sometimes if something belongs to somebody or something else, तब भी हम वो बताने के लिए, वो डिनोट करने के लिए भी preposition यूज कर लेते हैं। If something is made of something else, उससे उसका वो रिलेशन है कि it is made of that, तब भी हम prepositions यूज कर लेते हैं। जैसे this is a book of English, this is a book of mathematics, बोलते हो? He is a teacher of science. You are students of Shri Sathya Sai Vidya Vidya. The furniture you are using is made of wood or steel.
Yes, sir.
Barbie girl, made of plastic. ठीक है, समझ में आ गया?
Yes, sir.
ओके। प्रखर, अंकुश are good players of badminton. Is my sentence okay?
Yes, sir.
Prakhar, Ankush are good players of badminton.
No, sir.
क्यों?
Sir, Prakhar
Kyun?
and Ankush.
Prakhar and Ankush are good players of badminton. So you. Yes, sir.
And तो मैंने यूज किया ही नहीं था,
Yes, sir.
Yes,
तो
sir.
सेंटेंस कैसे ठीक हो सकता? आई एम यूजिंग टू नेम्स, so those two names should, if I want to use these two names together, then there must be some other word that helps me to add these two nouns together.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
so the words that we use to connect two words, or maybe two statements, two clauses, जब
Phrases.
दो को कनेक्ट करना, phrases, clauses, statements, sentences, words, इनको अगर हमें कनेक्ट करना है, दो अलग अलग है, उनको कनेक्ट करना है, तो we need one additional word, and those words are called
Conjunctions. Conjunctions.
conjunctions. Conjunction. You are answering because I am asking these questions. You are answering is a statement. I am asking questions is another statement. But when I combined and made a complex sentence, the sentence became like this. You are answering because I am asking these questions. तो because से क्या हुआ?
जो दोनों सेंटेंस थे वो आपस में
Because
कनेक्ट
से
हो
क्या
गए.
हुआ? Correct. Okay. Have you understood it now?
Yes, sir.
There are many conjunctions. We shall have a list of that. I'll send. And I will expect you to go through it and ask me tomorrow if you need a further explanation. Okay? Just for a quick discussion, this is enough. But I'll send the list, go through those. And if you find the usage of those conjunctions or any other part of speech little difficult, just let me know tomorrow. We shall continue discussing this. Okay? Then you see the watch. What is the time?
Sir,
Sir, 2.
2:02.
When you see that the time is up, okay, what is your first reaction? What comes out of your mind or your mouth? The first expression or the first word, what comes out?
So the time is over.
Good. First word, first sound.
Time is extended.
अरे यार फर्स्ट वर्ड बोल रहा हूँ बेटा, सेंटेंस नहीं बोल रहा हूँ. हाँ? What?
Hurray.
Wow.
हाँ, you will be excited. You will be excited and you will say hurray. ठीक है, fine. और? Oh, time's up. Oh. अरे हिंदी में भी आएगा. अरे टाइम हो गया. आता है ये वाला पहले आता है साउंड.
Yes, sir.
Yes, yes, sir.
तो ये जो था ना ओ, अरे ये जो सडन एक्सप्रेशंस जो आते हैं हमारे, सडन रेस्पॉन्सेस जो आते हैं हमारे, जो हमारे कुछ ना कुछ हाउ वी फेल्ट स्पॉन्टेनियसली उसको एक्सप्रेस करते हैं. दीज आर इंटरजेक्शंस. These are interjections. Interjections. ठीक है? Not injections.
But express emotions, sir.
Sudden emotions.
It's a
Spontaneous. Spontaneous emotions. This is all for today. Please go through these parts of speech once again today. And if you find anything to discuss once again, let me know tomorrow, we shall discuss. And let me remind once again that we have decided to have Google form test of those 2 poems and a lesson tomorrow in our
Sir,
class. Yes, beta.
sir, I have a doubt, sir. When we will present our PPTs?
Beta, see, what I just mentioned, perhaps you did not join at that time. What I just said is, today I am going to check all the PPTs at home, all your presentations, and I'll do marking. And I'll keep it. If time allows us, we shall have a presentation in the class, and I'll do marking according to that presentation. If time doesn't allow, marking done on the basis of the PPT that you have submitted will be final. It all depends on time. See, after tomorrow's class, we shall get it after a week. And after very few days, we are going to have examination. So, if we get time or in some extra time, we shall have presentations. But for a presentation of all the students, definitely it is going to take long time. So if I could manage to have some time with you, I will take your presentations, live presentations. Otherwise, PPTs are there with me. Today I will
Yes,
finalize
sir.
those. Okay, madam?
Yes, sir.
But
Yes, sir.
test we have tomorrow. Test we have tomorrow. Please don't forget.
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
The test